What's up, everybody? It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and just want to apologize ahead of time. I did not have any video on Wednesday, and the reason for that is this week I have been studying my rear end off for the Part 107 Recurrency test. I am on my way down to Boulder, Colorado, to the regional airport there, and I will be going to the specialty flight training. That's where I signed up to take my test. So you have to call the testing facility and then make an appointment, and then you call what's called the CATS. It's the Computer Aided Testing System from the FAA. They send the test to that particular facility, and then once you get there, you take your test. So this time, since it's the recurrency test and not the brand new test, it is only 40 questions long instead of 60 questions long. Also, instead of getting 2 hours to take the test this time, I only get an hour and a half. Now, last time, if I remember 2 years ago, I think I got the test taken in like 45 minutes. It was pretty quick. It wasn't that bad. So I've been basically studying up, doing some brushing up on kind of the things that I don't normally use. But I think I should be able to get it. Should be pretty easy. So we'll see what happens. Last time I scored a 90-something%, but I think a passing score, I think you have to get, what is it, like either 70% or 80%, something like that, whatever it is. I can't remember exactly. You are allowed to bring a 4-function calculator with you. That's it. You're not allowed to bring anything else into the testing facility, so no phones, no pencils, pens, paper, anything. You can bring your wallet, but you do have to lock it up. You can bring your phone in, you have to lock it up. Basically, you go into the little testing room with nothing with you except for your calculator there. They provide paper, everything that you're going to need to take the test, including the little test booklet that gives you like the maps and things like that that you have to look up. Yeah, I think I've got this. It's been 2 years, but it's pretty much all the same stuff that I already knew from 2 years ago. Like I said, I just kind of had to brush up what I've been, what I couldn't remember from the last 2 years that I took the test, which is fine. So, yeah, so wish me luck, guys. Hope you'll join me on the little journey down to the airport, and then once I get there, I'll take the test, and I'll tell you how I did. Alright guys, so I'm here. I've got about 20 minutes or so before my test, so I'm going to go in because it's really hot. It's like 99 degrees out today. So wish me luck. Once I get done with the test, I will kind of give you guys a clue as to how it is, what kind of test questions, that kind of thing, to help you along. Hey everybody, so I failed the recurrence test by one question. And I gotta tell you, the recurrency test, it's only 40 questions long, but it is a lot harder to pass the second time than it was the first time. It seems like the questions are a lot harder. So I've got a list of the questions. At the end, it goes over, it shows you the questions you missed, but it doesn't give you the answer. So I know which ones I missed. There was one specifically on there that I know I got right, but it said I got it wrong. It was, what's the maximum weight of a UAV, including the battery, you know, including everything? And it's 55 pounds. And it said I got it wrong. So maybe has that changed? I don't know, but very disappointing day today. Kind of a bummer, but that's okay. So I definitely failed the Part 107 Recurrency. But I'll get back out and I'll do it again and I'll pass again. So thanks for watching. In the meantime, while you are waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.